What's up, you guys? This is People Carlo here on another video. On today's video we are going to be working on a tow truck. We're going to put some chrome trims, LED lights, and some more stuff here. I'm going to show you. So this is the tow truck right here. We already did the grill. It's a chrome grill. We already did the LED headlights, the whole housing, the chrome cover for the headlights, and let me show you what we're going to do. So we have a 54-inch strobe light bar that goes on the windshield, chrome trims part right here, the LED signal lights, and it's another chrome trim piece. Is that one goes below the grill, and we're going to start working on it, so stay tuned. So first thing we're going to do is clean the area, so we're going to start the trim. Let's go. This is the part, first part goes on there. Let's do it. Oh wow, that looks really nice. Take a look at it. What happened to you? Hey, nada. Okay, bye. Look at that, shiny. Looks really good. Yep, yeah. Really good. Nice. Now we're going to do the corner lights. Hey, let's go. Alright, so we got a situation here. I didn't have the plug for it, so I'm gonna have to go get it and make a plug so we can go with the truck. Otherwise I can just splice the wires, but I would love to just put the plug here so it can be plug and play. So I'm gonna get back with you guys and see if we can jump in another stuff and skip this one. Alright, so next step is gonna be these chrome trims right here. This is the trims that goes right here. We take this off, take this light off, and we put that together. We got it now. Let's put it all back together and do the other side. Now that's done. We put that a couple of weeks ago. And now the next step is going to be installing the 54-inch LED light bar. It's a strobe light, and it's going to the windshield. Let's see how it goes. now we're gonna put this in the windshield. Alright. Oh boy, I like it already. And this is how it's gonna look. Oh yeah. Gonna finish doing the adjustments, put in the setup that I like, and we go from there. And it's good to go. Simple install, sorry. So here it is. Now I need to just hide the wire harness. It's a car lighter plug-in. Good to go. Also, next step here is installing the CB antennas, where we're going to use it for CB, just for show. This is the bracket, and then this is the spring. This. And this goes, here goes the antenna. Like this. And it should look like this. Yep, looks good, right? Almost done. This is what we did today. Chrome trims, that one, and the CB antennas. Yep, right there, right there. On the next video we're going to do this signal lights, because we have to fix the wiring harness on it on each side. Oh, also the strobe light right there. So that's it for today. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share with a lot of people, a lot of towing people, truck people. And if you're interested in any of these accessories, hit me up. My Instagram is HM Auto Lights or PeopleCalo11. You can find me also on Facebook as well. And to be continued. See you in the next video. Bye.